Okay guys, today I will show you how to make zucchini or swapa hard trap. It's really basic, but it's actually fire. So you can check our kits at store ctmklan.com. We got new kits almost every month, so check out. We got Synology Bank and everything. So okay, so back to video. This is really basic bit, so I will just preview a little bit.
Klan Shondon.
Okay, so first sound I will show you is this electric piano. So this is actually in E Phrygian scale. I made this like, I call it broken chord, because this chord is like two notes next to each other and one, so I call it like broken chord, but it gives some special vibe. I really like to hear it. I hear that in a lot of Mexikodro beats, a lot of glow beats got that same style. So I even made that swing, so it's really basic, but a lot of Zukenee and Swapa beats got that insanely simple melodies, but a lot of complex drums and percussion. So I will show you, like, next sound is this ear candy piano. I only put this so you will hear it in 1 second in 8 bars. So just only to trigger here a little bit. So, and I put 2 stomps under it. So okay, for bass I use this. This is some classic SPN D-Rich 808, so I'll show you. And this is like some bass I made in Synology Bank, so it reminds me a lot of Mike Dean stuff. So okay, for hi-hats I put these hats, so a lot of this type of hats are going in style called step team trap. So I actually morph it into this like hard trap, because you got that sound in Zukenee bromance. So here is how it sounds. So here is triplets, and for drop I put more of it, like. And I put this clap, and actually I skipped one clap to give that bouncy feeling, like in Bankroll Fresh behind the fence beat. So, and I put like 2 later. So and also I put this like percussion, but actually this is in triplets, so you give that bouncy feeling. And I put this classic open head. So and here is D-Rich Laser. This is actually from Extreme Leads from EMU. I got this hardware here. So, and for lead, this is actual lead, and this lead is actually from my Synology bank called Glow Lead. So here it is. Got that good delayed slide. So that's it. And little sauce here is like I put this gross beat, and this gross beat is actually mute. So when beat comes at the end of fourth bar, it mutes for a millisecond, and you got that bouncy feeling. So
Klan.
and I also forgot like this one sound. This is actually scratch percussion. This is 808 and snare. I actually tuned the snare so it will hit the same notes as 808. So actually a lot of percussion here in beat is in triplets, so it gives that actual bounce, like it's little bit feeling like it's off beat, but it's actually good. So a lot of percussion in this type of beats are always in some kind of pocket. They don't hit at the same time, so you will actually hear all of them. And I forgot about chant. This is the chant I used. This is classic Akashi Glow or DJ plug chant. So okay, that's it for today's video. Here is the full beat I played now.